Hello everyone, in this video we will learn three features in pivot table. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to first create pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the entire data, just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. The second way is to simply select the one cell inside the data and you can use here the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, have a pivot table option. Just click on this drop down arrow, then click on the From Table or Range option. Here you can see the one dialog box is open. Pivot table, from table or range. Select a table or range. The range is automatically selected. The second, choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So new worksheet, select here the new worksheet and click on OK and that's it. Here the new worksheet is added with the pivot table fields, with the pivot table analysis tab and design tab. So here I just drag the fields below the area to create pivot table. I just drag the product first in rows and the total price in values area and region in rows. Okay, so that's it. Here my pivot table is ready. Now I want this pivot table in tabular format. So simply select the inside the cell, go to the design tab. Okay, in layout option, just click on the report layout. Okay, and click on the show in tabular form. Okay, just click on it and that's it. Your pivot table is converted in tabular form. Now I want to remove this subtotal. See, south total, west total. So this total I want to remove. Same as go to the design tab. In layout group, click on the subtotal total options and click on the do not show subtotal. And that's it. You can see the subtotal is removed. And here in region, you can see the south. I want to repeat the label in every blank cell. So same as go to the design tab and in layout, click on the report layout option and click on the repeat all item label. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see all label is repeat. So that's it. These three feature in pivot table. Your pivot table is showing the unique way. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.